Hi, friends. I'm Reverend Diann Davisson, an ordained religious science minister for over 23 years and a board-certified hospital chaplain. And I'd like to invite you to my upcoming workshop. It's called the Grief Recovery Method. It's a 7-week online class, so wherever you are in the world, you will be able to participate. Now, if you participate in other bereavement or support groups, I want you to know they're all wonderful. However, the grief recovery method is completely different. This is the only evidence-based grief program in the world, which means clinical studies were done to prove this method works. This is a step-by-step process. It's an action program for unlocking and respecting the emotional experience of our grief, whether it's fresh grief or grief from a long time ago. We all know that grief is universal. My gosh, we just experienced COVID collectively together, but there's many other changes in our lives that we experience that we may not associate with grief, such as moving, relationship breakups, retirement, those intangible losses, loss of trust, loss of faith, loss of our health, loss of childhood, and of course, the loss of a beloved pet or a loved one. Too often, we tend to deal with those losses in our intellect, while the emotional experience remains locked in our bodies. And we know that is not good because our bodies are not meant to be a storage plant. And so this class is going to show you to how unlock those emotional or that buried grief. And once again, it's 7 weeks online. When you sign up for the class, you'll receive this book, plus you'll receive the PDF form online. I would love to have you in the class. I just finished up the 2 classes at CSL Seattle. Both classes were full with a waiting list. These are small, intimate classes, so I urge you to sign up as soon as possible. Rest assured, we're going to do this together. You are not alone. I will be with you every step of the way, my friends. So I look forward to seeing you in class. Namaste.